This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In Manipur, the 14-day statewide complete lockdown and curfew began yesterday as preventive measures against the spread of COVID-19 after few people without any travel history were tested positive. Out of 2,060 total positive cases recorded in Manipur so far, 1,418 persons have been discharged from hospitals. The recovery rate stands at 68.83%. In Nagaland, a 7-day total lockdown will be imposed in Kohima district from tomorrow to 31st July in view of the spurt of COVID-19 cases in the state capital, Kohima. The district task force Kohima during its emergency meeting held yesterday decided to impose complete lockdown in Kohima municipal area under Kohima Sadar jurisdiction to further contain the spread of COVID-19. Nagaland recorded the single highest spike of 90 new cases yesterday, taking the number of affected people to 1,174. So far, 486 persons have recovered. In Meghalaya, death toll due to COVID-19 has increased to 5 after an elderly woman in Shillong succumbed to the virus at the northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences NEIGRIHMS last night. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hake informed that 4 COVID-19 patients have recovered yesterday, taking the total recovery to 82. 19 fresh positive cases, including 13 BSF personnel, were detected yesterday, taking the number of active cases to 448 out of the total 534 cases. In Assam, over 2,300 villages are submerged in flood water. 28 lakh people are reeling under the wave of floods in 26 districts. Surging water disrupted road, embankments, culverts, bridges, and some places touched the rooftop of houses. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visited Rangia and Dalang yesterday and said that stern action would be taken if anyone indulged in corrupt practices in the relief distribution. Mr. Sonowal also met inmates at the relief camps. Besides floods, land erosion also took serious turn at several places. Floodwater washed away cattle stock and submerged over 1 lakh hectare of crop areas. The Agriculture Department has released 9 crore rupees for raising community nursery. Arunachal Pradesh yesterday recorded the highest single-day spike of 91 COVID-19 positive cases, taking the total number of infections to 949, including 632 active cases and 3 deaths. Meanwhile, 11 patients were discharged, taking the number of recovered persons to 314. In Mizoram, 9 fresh positive cases were reported yesterday, taking the total cases to 326. Presently, there are 147 active cases and 179 patients have recovered. Sikkim also reported 22 fresh cases of COVID-19, taking the state's tally to 460. East Sikkim, where 335 persons have tested positive so far, is the worst hit district. There are 338 active cases and 122 persons have recovered. In Meghalaya, the state government has decided to conduct random testing in 71 clusters of the state by using the antigen testing kit to prevent community spread of COVID-19. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that this decision was made after monitoring the situation and considering the inputs furnished by the State Health Department. Stating that random testing will be starting very soon, Tinsong informed that over 40,000 antigen kits are available in the state and over 1.5 lakh kits will be reaching the state. The Deputy Chief Minister further warned the public not to stigmatize medical professionals and residents from containment areas when it comes to treatment, as there were reports of people being denied medical care and facilities. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Manipur water supply project via video conference yesterday. The Prime Minister said that the project has been designed to provide safe drinking water to every household of the state in the next 22 years. Stating that the Northeast is a gateway to the ancient cultural relationships with East Asia, he said the region has the potential to become India's growth engine as peace is being established in the entire region, adding that the mantra of peace, progress and prosperity is echoing in the Northeast. He also talked about the potential of tourism and development of the region as a bamboo industry hub. The first ever container cargo from Kolkata via Chattogram port has reached Agartala in Tripura yesterday. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Anurag Srivastava in a tweet termed this as a historic milestone in the Indo-Bangla connectivity and economic partnership which will help in further development of the Northeast. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.